Grizzlies, it's me, Miss Rebecca, the math coach, and today we're going to talk about some do-it-yourself manipulatives, number lines. So we know math can be challenging. We also know that we should teach math or new concepts using CPA, concrete, then pictorial, then abstract. We do the concrete part by using things like these, which we call manipulatives. But what do we do if we don't have those manipulatives at home and we have to do distance learning? We make them ourselves, of course, but don't worry, I'm going to show you some easy ways to make some important manipulatives. The first one is a number line, and these are an amazing resource. Number lines can be used to show basic addition. They can be used to show basic subtraction. They can even be shown to use multiplication and division. Don't forget that when you're using a number line, you count the number of hops. That's what tells you the answer. So empty number lines are another really great resource, and they're great for bigger numbers. So one example is 347 plus 285. That's something I wouldn't want to put on a number line that starts at the number 1. But an empty number line, I could do like this. I start at 347. I know I have to go up 285. So I'm going to do jumps that make the most sense. So here, the first jump I did was 200, which I could do pretty easily with mental math. To go from 547 up, I know if I add 60, it will give me a nice number, 607, and so on. You can see why this person chose the jumps they chose, and then to get the final answer, you just see where they ended up. You could do subtraction in the same way. With subtraction, I would start at the smaller number and put the first number at the end of my number line. And then I would make hops based on what makes the most sense. For example, the first hop was adding 4 because 386 wasn't a very friendly number, so I made it into 390, which was more friendly. So how do we make number lines that will last? Well, you could use cardboard, which I'm sure you have a lot around the house, colored paper, a marker, Ziploc bags, and whiteboard markers. These things put together will help you make a lovely number line. The Ziploc bag is to put the number line in after you've completed it, and then you can use whiteboard markers and reuse the same number line over and over again. Remember, don't do all this work yourself. Most of these do-it-yourself manipulatives are really easy, and your child should do them. Once they're complete, put them in a safe place and use them over and over again for math. This is a great start to a math toolkit. Hope this was helpful, and I hope you enjoy using number lines.